Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you a haul. I bought some stuff for the house, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. First week we came in the house, I basically got some cleaning product because I wanted to clean around the house. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and I've been getting a couple of things here and there, so I wanted to show you all of them together. I didn't want to just have a haul of the cleaning product because I didn't really stock up on my cleaning products. I just got some stuff just to clean the house, so I wanted to bring more to this video. So I waited for this week to show you guys what I got for the house. So first I'll show you guys the cleaning stuff. As you can see, they're already in a basket because I've been cleaning. So I got this scrubbing bubbles. These I really love because you can just spray it and then you scrub the bathroom and then sparkly clean. This actually I didn't buy this. This came in my Grove collaboration box this month or last month. Actually it came in before we moved, so I didn't even really open it. When our movers came in to pack up our stuff, I let them pack it, which was really good because it had a lot of stuff that I really needed for this house. So I was happy for that. I got this glass cleaner spray. I had one already that wasn't done, but the movers didn't want to pack it, so I had to get another one. And then I have another glass cleaner. This one is a multi-surface one, so I got that one, and it smells so good. And then I got this just for daily cleaning in our shower. And the next thing I got a glove. I didn't get a lot of gloves because, as you guys can see, I don't really clean with gloves. So I got one pair just in case if I need it. And then I got these 2 pack. I haven't used any of them, but this is those scented power thing. It's just the Febreze Unstoppable. And then I have towels now, so I need things to mop. So I bought these mop. Actually, I was waiting for these. I got these at on Amazon. So it comes with multicolor socks thing. So it's just a mop shoes. You just put it on and to mop. So I got those. This is what they look like. You just put it in your feet. I haven't tried any of them. I just been mopping and just take off my shoes. So I don't know. And then I need a lot of these, which is the microfiber cloth. I need a lot of these. I got these for the kitchen and these just to clean around the house. And they have multicolors too. I like these because I can clean wine glasses and stuff. Not even clean, wipe them down. So that's why I got these, just to wipe down plates and glasses and things like that. I had those before and they don't leave any kind of residue in the wine glass, so I really like them. So I thought I'll get some. And then I got some Mr. Clean eraser. I like those too, especially with the doors and stuff. They take stuff out really quickly. So this is that. And last but not least is the infamous mop, Ostener mop. These mops are everywhere, and I got them this is empty because I already opened it. I got these and I'm not that impressed with them because I thought when you put the mop in the spinny thing, it actually dried them up, but the mop kind of stay wet. So I don't know why all the crazy people going crazy about it. So if I'm using it wrong, please leave in the comment how to use it, because excuse me, the bucket came like this, came like that. I didn't have to fix anything. So just take it out, and then the only thing I had to fix was the mop because it came shorter. But other than that, the bucket came how it is. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it doesn't dry anything. Okay, so there it is. I said it. I don't know if nobody said it before, but there it is. It's not drying anything. It's not drying the mop. The mop stay wet. So let me know if I'm using it wrong. All right, so I got these bowls at Sam's Club. It comes in 24 sets. The top is plastic, but the actual bowl is not. So that's what I wanted. I didn't want to get plastics everything. So this is what it looks like, and I like that they have the top. I can put anything in them. So 24 set at Sam's Club. So that's what they look. That's what they look like outside of the box. I think they are so cute. And when I store my food, they're gonna be good. And then next, I got this mat at Walmart. This is just to when I'm washing dishes. If I'm washing by hands, I can just let them dry on here. I had a black one, and then I went and get a gray one. They didn't have black one in these ones, so I just wanted another one just so it could be bigger, because the other one I have is not as big. I usually put my wine glass whenever I wash them on it, but this one I can put dishes on them because this one is really big. Next, I got these bowls for the kids. I got the gray one and the pink one. I actually got a lot of them. They were why is this doing that? These, oh my God. Is it too much lighting? That's not because of that. Out of these, they were 50 cents at Walmart. So I got gray ones and pink ones. And for the kids, whenever we have kids coming here, they can have cereal in them. And then they come with the cups. There was no gray cups, so I got the blue and the pink. And then I also got the plates. So I got the gray plates and the pink plates for the kids. Everything, every last one of them was 50 cents. And they feel so good. They're not like too flexible. They're hard enough. Look, I'm trying to push it and it's not. And I can feed the kids whenever we have like dinner. If I have a lot of kids here, I can just serve them in here. And I was excited about that. And then I had I got some kitchen towel. I thought these were really cute for the fall. So I got these. I got a couple of these. And then also these ones. So this is what they look like. It comes with the oven mitt and towels. And then for more, they were on sale. These ones were on sale. I got these ones because they kind of remind me of Christmas, so I can use them for Christmas also in Thanksgiving. And I got these because I just like what it says on there. I like what it says on there. Don't go bacon my heart. So I thought it was cute. In this brown, my husband can use it whenever he's having whenever he's grilling and stuff. So that's that for the kitchen. Actually, that's not it. I had a NutriBullet. I got this for us to make smoothies. I had the Ninja before, but I feel like this is so much more convenient. You can just, and it's a good size too to drink your smoothie, so you're not gonna feel like you're not putting enough. So I like that. The Ninja one is kind of skinny and it doesn't take as much. So when I saw these, since I've been seeing people use them on YouTube, and I wanted one, but because I know I was moving, I didn't want to buy one, but I bought one. And I didn't even open it yet. I just need to open it and find out how many things come in there. So let me see. Actually, I'm gonna open it. And then I got some storage some storage things because I need those to put sheets and pillowcases and stuff like that. I got 2 of those pillows to put in the guest room, which is where I'm at. And then I got this sheets to put on the guest room bed. These are so cute. I like the pattern on them. And I wanted to get something that's gonna look nice for the fall. And because the bed is black too, I wanted anything that would match really nice. And then I got some hangers because I know our hanger is not gonna be enough. So I got some hangers. I even have one set of 18 and 125 because I have a lot of clothes. I know the hangers that I have are not gonna be enough. So I made sure I got enough so I can do it. And last but not least, I got these 2 reefs. They are so cute. I know they don't have a lot of things in them, but I think they are really cute. And I couldn't find something that I really liked that had things. Some of them that have the pumpkin, they are glitter and stuff like that. So I thought I would get some of these. Some of these pumpkins. I got those also. I'm thinking of just gluing them around with some glue gun. Get glue gun and glue them around the rifts. And you guys know I have double door now, so I need 2 rifts. So I got this one and that one. So that's it for the haul, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you like to see the more hauls. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss none of my videos coming, because I'm gonna bring you guys with me on this journey of decorating the house and cleaning and stuff like that. So don't forget to hit the notification bell and make sure you always tune in whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.